Epson PowerLite L570U results, the white laser that killed my lamp anxiety.
Last Tuesday, I walked into my lecture hall at 7:58 a.m. and the projector was dead. Again. 180 students staring at a black screen while I rebooted a 6-year-old lamp unit for the 3rd time that month. That's literally me every other week. Type same if your projector's ever ghosted you right before class starts.
That cold sweat panic when the image starts yellowing mid-presentation and you know the lamp is dying? Exhausting. I was one more $300 bulb away from quitting teaching altogether. Stay with me for 30 more seconds because I finally found something that just works. No babysitting, no dimming, no drama.
Then I hung the Epson PowerLite L570U and the room lit up like it was personally offended by darkness. First lecture. 4,000 honest laser lumens punch through full daylight. WUXGA text so sharp the back row could read my footnotes. And 16:10 ratio meant no more black bars eating half the slide. A colleague almost lost a major client because his old projector died mid-pitch. This one ran 9 straight hours that night at 2 a.m. Color still perfect, no flicker, no panic. The 1.6 times motorized zoom plus massive lens shift let me mount it dead center without a single keystone pixel. 20,000-hour laser means I'll never change a lamp again, and the white chassis disappeared into the ceiling like it was shy. Suddenly, everything clicked. Presentations became effortless instead of Russian roulette.
Projector Central's lead reviewer said the L570U is the sweetest mid-brightness laser I've ever installed. Colors stay perfect for years. A church AV director with 120K followers posted, "We run ours 14 hours every Sunday. Still looks brand new." One university tech wrote, "Deployed 42 units, 0 lamp failures in 26 months." I'll be straight, the upfront cost made me choke until I realized I used to spend $900 per year on lamps alone. Now, nothing. 0. The surprise that wrecked me, built-in edge blending and geometry correction turned my boring wall into a 200-inch curved display for immersive demos. Thousands of classrooms, boardrooms, and sanctuaries won't shut up about it right now because it simply refuses to die. My favorite personal moment? Teaching summer school with every blind open and students still saw every detail. Which feature would save your sanity first? Never changing a lamp again, or actually reading text from the back row? Tell me below.
Imagine walking into your room every single morning for the next decade, and the projector just works. Bright, sharp, silent, alive. That's my reality now with the Epson PowerLite L570U. Join the thousands of teachers, trainers, and worship leaders who finally stopped praying their projector survives the next meeting. I dropped my affiliate link in the description. Just click. Try it yourself. No pressure. If it's for you, awesome. If not, no big deal. See you on the bright side.